Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making keto swallowed with eggplant. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. I have 1 eggplant, water and Psyllium Husk powder. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. I've already washed my eggplant. I'll cut the ends of it. Then cut it into smaller pieces. After that, I will put it inside my pot. Then pour water inside. Then stir it round. Cover with lid, then leave it to boil for 10 minutes. It's up to 10 minutes now. I will put the eggplant inside my blender. Then blend it. I will not be adding any water because the eggplant is tender. After blending it, I will pour the eggplant inside my pot. I will add 1 teaspoon of Psyllium Husk. Then stir it round. I will keep stirring it round until I get the desired consistency that I want. Now I'm going to wrap it in a plastic film. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my keto swallowed with eggplant. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.